wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 9 best pool vacuum hoses. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 9. If you're in need of some serious length, then the Puri 12-pack may be pretty hard to beat. It includes 12 lengths made to fit most cleaners, each measuring a copious 48 inches. This means you can create a hose up to 48 feet long if you so desire. A single pack is also available and is a good value for the size, but it seems less flexible than others. At number 8, the Haviland vac hose will enable you to keep your above-ground swimming hole crystal clear, and because it has an outer shell that resists abrasions and damage from chemicals and UV rays, you can expect to be using it for a while to come. It's equipped with a free-flowing interior and measures 18 feet long. However, it can be a bit stiff. Coming in at number 7 on our list, this Hayward V130LG standard kit is a basic and straightforward choice for anyone who already owns one of the company's cleaners. The complete set consists of 9 regular 4-foot tubes, 1 leader hose, and a skimmer cone. It comes in light grey, but it is a little pricier than other options, and it may allow air into vacuum systems. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for pool vacuum hoses, or simply click beneath this video. Moving up our list to number 6. The Robelle 740 comes in a variety of width and length combinations and is a spiral wound design that provides excellent strength and maneuverability for getting into hard-to-reach areas. Its smooth interior walls allow for good water flow and prevent clogs. It's backed by a 3-year warranty and doesn't harden at low temperatures. However, it can leak at the connector points. Halfway up our list at number 5. Designed to go with Poolmaster products, the Think Crucial 40-foot is a sturdy yet lightweight option for anyone tired of lugging around heavy equipment. It's also easy to install, meaning you waste less time cleaning and enjoy more time relaxing. It comes in a standard diameter and doesn't require any adapters, but its warranty is pretty short at 30 days. At number 4, for a large above-ground unit, the oreq Stinger might just do the trick. You can choose between 30 and 40-foot models, but no matter which you select, rest assured that it will provide you with plenty of flexibility and resilience. It sports an eye-catching 2-tone style and is good for professionals or homeowners. It's not prone to kinking either. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The US Pool Supply Heavy Duty is crafted from tough EVA with a swiveling cuff that lets it move freely, so you can expect it to last for longer than just a season. And to protect you from defects, it's backed by a generous 3-year warranty. It's 30 feet long with 2 female ends and comes from a trusted company. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for pool vacuum hoses, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, thanks to 1.5-inch suction ports, the Milliard 5-piece set should fit just about any cleaner you can throw it at. Each piece is 3 feet long, so you have a variety of sizing options at your fingertips, up to 15 feet in total. It's affordably priced and includes male and female connectors. It's easy to separate and store. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Haviland i-helix is a popular choice since its professional-grade construction is durable enough to last for the long haul. You can rely on its robust swiveling cuff to prevent annoying tangles and twists, and it's offered in plenty of lengths. This one's made in the USA and is tough but still flexible. It's resistant to UV rays. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for pool vacuum hoses, or simply click beneath this video.